ladies, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick unboxing of the #1 best-selling Amazon juicer, as well as we are going to be testing it out. So if you want to see that, keep watching. So this is the box that my juicer came in. I pre-opened it so I won't have a hard time opening on camera with you guys. But it comes with an Aicok warranty card. I hope I'm saying the name of this right, guys. It has healthy recipes for masticating juicer. Okay, so this is pretty cool. I like that. I'm sure maybe every juicer has recipes in them, but I do like that. And then right here we have the instructions, I believe, on how to put this together. I should probably read the instruction, guys, but let's see. And please use this wrench to remove the juicer cover in clockwise direction if you find the juicer cover is difficult to remove after juicing. Okay, that's just a little, warning type thing. So when you receive your juicer, it's going to come like this, and you just pull it right out the box. And you take all of this stuff off of it. Wow, I didn't expect all of this for some reason, guys. I kind of thought it would already be together. My bad. But now that I think about it, it makes sense, right? So I went ahead and washed everything before assembling it. I just feel like it's better that way, and I think you actually are supposed to do that. So make sure you wash it before you put it together, guys. And I'm just showing you guys the pieces in case you guys don't feel like reading the instructions. I already have it done for you. If you follow what I'm doing, you'll be able to assemble yours as well. And that's it. So assembling this was not difficult, but I am going to be honest, I watched a video on how to do it. So for me, it was like boom, boom, boom. So that already goes to tell you that it's not going to be difficult to assemble this machine right here. I like it, guys. It comes in 2 colors, I believe still. I do know that they did offer white and black at one point, but I think I only saw black. And I kind of wanted black because a lot of my appliances in the kitchen have black and silver. I believe this is silver, right? Yep, like a black and silver platinum tone. So that's why I ordered this one. I do like it. I think it's cute. It's portable. It looks like it's going to be easy to wash, and it did come with a little brush. Where did I put the brush? Oh, hold on. And it came with this cute little brush, so I do believe it'll be easy to wash. What else? I think that's pretty much it, guys. Let's jump right into testing this baby out. Okay. So for this juicing recipe, I chose green apples, lemons, ginger, and beets. And that's simply because I heard that they have a lot of good health benefits. Let's start off with the benefits of the green apples. They're high in fiber. They prevent asthma. They're a natural detoxifier. They're good for your liver. They help you with losing weight. They're good for your lungs. They help you have healthy and strong bones. They're good for anti-aging. They improve your skin texture. They cure dandruff, prevent diabetes, prevent Alzheimer's, low in fat content, and good mineral content. Moving on to the ginger. And we know that ginger has so many benefits, so I'm just going to read a few, guys. The first one is it soothes irritable bowel syndrome. It helps with weight loss, relieves tired muscles, helps with morning sickness, reduces arthritis inflammation, improves circulation, opens up inflamed airways, blocks heartburn, helps fight cancer, prevents motion sickness, clears sinuses, fights Alzheimer's disease, improves breath, strengthens immune system, protects against radiation, clears skin, heals frostbite, reduces the risk of heart attack, relieves gas, relieves menstrual cramps, and fights infections. And I'm sure there's much more. The list can go on. Ginger is really good. So if you can, try your best to get ginger in your juices and in your diet. Next, we're going to move on to beets. This is another one that has many health benefits, but I'm only going to review a few. Prevents signs of aging, moisturizes dry skin, promotes hair growth, improves liver function, reduces inflammation, helps prevent cancer, improves stamina, prevents dementia, lowers blood pressure, helps curing arthritis, combats anemia, and controls diabetes. Another thing that I heard that's good about beets is that they work kind of like a blood purifier. So you guys should definitely look into that. But they are really good. Like I said, they have so many more benefits like a lot of these things do, but it's something that you want to go forward and do the extra research for yourself. Last but not least, let's go to lemons. Lemons remove wrinkles and blackheads. They ease pains of sunburn and bee stings. They help reduce weight. They help reduce dandruff and give hair a natural shine. They provide relaxation to the feet. They stop internal bleeding and nosebleeds. I didn't even know that, guys, so that's new to me. You find out something new every day. They help fade scars. They control high blood pressure. They help cure problems related to indigestion and constipation. They help soothe teeth aches and cleanse teeth. They help cure cholera and malaria. They help treat rheumatism and arthritis. They heal corns and provide relief from fever and colds, and also relieve respiratory and breathing problems. They have lots of nutrients in them, guys, a lot of vitamins and minerals as well. Just to name a few, they have vitamin C, they have vitamin B6 in them, they have thiamine, they have riboflavin, they have copper, calcium, iron, potassium, magnesium, and a few nutrients as well. So, yeah, that's a really good one. I decided to start juicing because of all the health benefits that I hear that it has. For me, I do believe that it is very important for us to be good stewards over our bodies. This is the only body that God has given us to do whatever it is that He has called and created us to do. And it is our jobs, our responsibilities to take good care of it. I haven't always had that understanding, but now that I do, I want to try, you know, as best as I can to take care of this body of mine. And juicing presents itself to be a great way to do that. So yeah, I do recommend you to start juicing if you don't already, because there's so many benefits for now and even in the long run. The typical American fast on the go lifestyle diet will not give you the nutrients and vitamins and minerals you need to live a healthy life and just maximize your health. So, yeah, this is a great way to get into your body everything that your body needs. So, I do want to incorporate juicing to my everyday routine, but I also want to do my smoothies. So, from what I hear, it's good to do smoothies on the days that you work out. I think it has something to do with muscle repair and stuff like that, but I'm not 100% sure. But I do know that it's easier for the body to break down juices. So, yeah, if you have more knowledge on that, please educate us below. And for those wondering, this is a masticating juicer, meaning that the process in which it creates the juice is a slow process that is done intricately, almost like how the body, like how you chew and then the nutrients is released into your body. It's the same way for this kind of juicer. It does the chewing process for you very uniquely, and then it deposits the juice. So, yes, it is a masticating juicer. So, that's what you should be looking for in a juicer when looking. Wow. Guys, that tasted so good. I'm shocked because I put that ginger in there And the beets, and normally, honestly, I don't think I would do like a beet juice. I've eaten like beets before, but y'all, this is good. This was like really, really good. I could honestly drink a cup of this every single day. The only thing for me, I would say, was cutting up everything. Y'all, that was a lot for me, especially the beets. I don't know the difference, like if organic and inorganic beets are different, you know, as far as cutting it. But these little things are really hard, guys. I know I need to get in the gym and get my weight up, but guys, that was a little bit hard for me to chop up. I didn't like that process so much, but I enjoy this juice. So I would say, guys, this juicer is amazing. The juice tastes so good. I'm not one to really eat beets or even ginger in my drinks, except for those little shots. But guys, like, this is really good. Like, I can literally do this, a cup of this every single day, even more than a cup, to be honest. Like, it's like that. It tastes really good. So if you're looking for a juicer, I would definitely recommend this one, guys, especially if you're just starting out. Like, if you do your research and you find out that you need something bigger than this one for your family, or just for you even, I would say then maybe, yeah, get another one. But I don't see any need to really get another one. Like, this works for me. I love it. Not to say that, you know, years down the line, I'm not going to get, you know, that $499.99 one. But for where I am right now, where my family is just starting out with this juicing thing, I will honestly say this is it for me and my family. I love it. I love it, guys. So that's my honest review. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and review. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you comment, subscribe, and share. You never know, this video can bless somebody else as well. And don't forget, ladies, if you live to love, you would love to live. All right, bye, guys.